Hello students. Today we will discuss about algebraic expression, chapter number 4 of class 7. In last discussion we discussed about the types of the algebraic expression, and today we will discuss about the addition and subtractions of algebraic expression. So addition and subtraction. So students, one thing you have to keep in your mind when you are adding or subtracting. First of all, try to know the rules of addition and subtraction. So in addition, sign will be written as it is. What are the given? So don't change the sign. And plus plus always will be plus, and plus minus will be subtract, and minus minus also will be add, and sign will be minus. Rules of addition you already know. In earlier classes, I think in class 6 you have done. So minus 2 plus 4. Now we have to add them. Addition means direct we will not add. We have to keep the signs in our mind according to the rules. It means if signs are like means same signs. 1 minus 1 plus. So these are unlike signs. So minus 2 plus 4. So it will be equal to 2 because plus is more times than minus. So plus 2. Minus 3 like signs, add them. Minus 3 becomes minus 6. Minus 6. 2 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. So these are the rules of addition. Plus plus, add and put plus. Minus minus also will be added and put minus. Plus minus will be subtracted, and which is repeated more time we will put the sign. If plus is repeated more time, then plus sign, and minus is more time, then minus sign. So now exercise 3.4.4, sorry. So the sum of, we have to find the sum. X square minus 4x square y square plus y raised to the power 4. Y raised to the power 4. X square plus 4x square y square. 4x square y square plus y raised to the power 4. So we have to add them. So just I told to you, in case of addition, sign will be no change. What are the signs? Write as it is. So now we are adding by column method. So these are like terms. X square, like term. Like term means same base and same power. X is the base and power is 2. Here also x is the base and power is 2. So these are like terms. Like terms will be added or subtracted. We can't add unlike term to like. It means unlike term we will not add or we will not subtract. So x square and x square, 1 and 1 becomes 2. So 2x square. 1 plus 1 minus both are like. So cancel. Y raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4. So here will be 0, no need to write 0. Here will be y raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4, 2y raised to the power 4. So this is the answer. Understood? So once again, rules of additions, if signs are like, it means both plus or both minus. These are called like signs. So if like signs are there, add and put same signs. If signs are unlike, it means 1 plus 1 minus, then always will be subtracted, and which is repeated more time, sign we will put according to that. Understood? Okay. Now next question. Question number x square y cube minus 2x square y cube plus 5x square y raised the power, it means y cube you can say. So this is the statement. We have to solve it. We have to solve it. So what will the answer? X square y cube, x square y cube, x square y cube. All are like terms. All are like terms. So x square y cube, this also x square y cube. So minus 2 plus 1. So minus x square y cube. Minus x square y cube plus 5x square y cube. 5x square y cube minus 1 plus 5. So it will be 4x square y cube. So this is the result. Once again I am repeating students. X square y cube minus 2x square y cube plus minus. So it will be minus x square y cube plus 5x square y cube minus 1 plus 5. So it will be 4x square y cube. Understood? Now question number 4, first part, x cube minus 2x square y, 2x square y plus 3xy square, 3xy square minus y cube, minus y cube, 2x cube minus 5x y square minus 5x y square plus 3x square y 3x square y minus 4y cube. So like term we have to write together. It means like term x square y. This also x square y. Coefficient doesn't matter. If coefficient are different, no problem. But variables terms would be same. Here x cube, here x cube. This x y square, this also x y square. So y cube, y cube. Students, this thing you have to keep in your mind. Understood? So you have to write like terms. Now we are adding 1 and 2. 3x cube plus 3x square y and this is minus 2x square y. So plus 3 minus 2. So it will be x square y. X square y plus 3 minus 5x y square. So it will be 2x y square. 2x y square minus 4 minus 1 minus 5y cube. Minus 5y cube. This is answer. Once again, 2 and 1. 3x cube minus 2 plus 3 x square y minus 5 plus 3 minus 2x y square minus 4 minus y minus 5y square. Any doubt? Okay. Next question. Question number 7. From the sum 3x plus 2y plus 3z to 3x plus 2y plus 3z, 3x minus 4y plus 5z. So from this sum, now add them. 3 and 3, 6x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2y plus 5 plus 3, 8z. From this sum, we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? 6x plus 7y minus 2z. Question number 7. Try to understand 3x plus 2y plus 3z. One algebraic expression is this, and second is 3x minus 4y plus 5z. So add them. Their sum will be 6x minus 2y plus 8z. From this sum, we have to subtract 6x plus 7y minus 2z. In case of subtraction, first we will change the sign. What we are subtracting. So from this, what we are subtracting? This one. So now change the sign. It will be minus, it will be minus, and it will be plus. So what we are going to subtract? So first of all, change the sign. After changing the sign, follow the rules of addition. Now, this is minus 6 and this is plus 6. Both are equal and signs are unlike. It means cancel. 1 plus 1 minus always will be cancelled if both are equal. Understood? Okay. Now, minus 2 minus 7 minus 9y plus 8 plus 2 10z. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Understood? Okay. Now next question. Question number 8. What should be added to a square plus 2ab plus b square? What should be added to this expression to get 4ab plus b square? So this is very important type. What should be subtracted and what should be added? Like this question, by what we have to multiply and by what we have to divide. So students, try to understand. Statement is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What should be added to this expression to get 4ab plus b square? So you can assume, I will assume p should be added. Let, you can assume x or you can assume p, q, anything. So let p should be added, or you can assume x should be added. Let p should be added. Should be added. So if I will add p, a square plus 2ab plus b square, add p, then it will be equal to 4ab plus b square. 4ab plus b square. So we have to find the value of p. P will be this side. So 4ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab and minus b square. So what we have to find? We have to find the value of p, because I assume p should be added. So value of p we need to find. So p, keep this side. 4ab plus b square was already there. Now change this side. So after changing the side, sign will be changed. It will be minus a square. It will be minus 2ab. It will be minus b square. So plus 4ab minus 2ab. 2ab. 1 plus 1 minus. Cancel. So minus a square. So this is the answer. So 2ab minus a square should be added to this to get 4ab plus b square. Understood? Any doubt? Okay. Now question number 11. If p is equal to 5x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 1, q is equal to 3x cube 5x square plus 3x minus 8. R is equal to 6x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 3. So these are the given values. Now we have to find the value. What we have to find? Find p plus q minus r. P plus q minus r. So this is the value of p and this is the value of q. So p plus q, 5x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now q plus 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 8. According to rule, first I will solve the bracket. In bracket what is given? P plus q. So this is the value of p. It means 5x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 1. 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x minus 8. So it will be equal to minus r. Value of r is 6x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 3 plus 3. So first 5x cube, 3x cube, 5 and 3, 8x cube, 8x cube, 3x square, 5x square, 8x square, 8x square, minus 4x plus 3x minus x plus 1 minus 8 minus 7 minus 6x cube minus 6x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 3. So 8x cube plus 8x square minus x minus 7, because this is solved. Now minus 6x cube minus 4x square minus 7x plus 3. 8x cube minus 6x cube, 2x cube, 2x cube, 8x square minus 4x square, 4x square, 4x square, minus x minus 7x minus 8x, minus 8x, minus 7 plus 3, plus minus will be subtracted and minus is more than plus, so minus 4. This is the solution. 8x cube and this is minus 6x cube. So from 8 subtract minus 6x cube, so here will be 2x cube. 8x square minus 4x square, 4x square, like terms always will be added or subtracted. Don't subtract 8x cube from minus x from 8x cube, because these are not like. Like means same base and same powers. So x cube, these are like terms. So plus 8 minus 6, 2x cube, 8x square minus 4x square, 4x square, minus x and minus 7x minus 8x minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. So this is the solution. Have you understood? Okay, so exercise 4.4 is completed, and I hope you have understood, and by watching this video we will try to solve the questions related to this type. Thank you.